I'm Eric Cohler from Eric Cohler Design. I'm based in New York City, and I started my firm right out of graduate school in 1994. And I love what I do. I jump out of bed every morning and thank God that I'm able to do this and to help people build a more beautiful world around them. My secret really is fusion. I actually have this uncanny ability to mix disparate objects together and make them look like they're part of a cohesive whole. The first thing I do with a project is I do an intake session with the client. We take notes on what they like, what they don't like. I'm a trained art historian. My undergraduate degree is in art history, and I do a lot of art consulting. As a room goes, I start with my plinth, which is my rug, or a wood floor or concrete floor, depending on what we've decided. And on top of that, I layer my furniture wearing certain fabrics, and then I choose the wall color, which to me is almost like the sorbet course of a meal, or even better, the dessert. It's the best part. Color for me is very much outside of the envelope. It adds depth to a room, or it can add warmth to a room, which you don't get simply with furniture and fabric. You just don't get it. I think the greatest luxury really is comfort and security and being able to be with your family. If I have a vision as a designer and I'm able to take this vision and translate it so that the client understands it fully, that to me is the luxury aspect. The living comes from putting the family into that room.